Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete a WhatsApp chat, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a WhatsApp chat on your phone, first open up your WhatsApp, and after that you can delete your WhatsApp chat from two ways. I'll be showing you both. Now first, in order to proceed, first open up the chat box of the person which you want to delete. And after that guys, on this interface at the top right corner you can see the three dotted icon up here. Tap on that three dotted icon, and I can tap on the more button over here, and there will be the option to clear chat. Over here you can see there is the clear chat. Tap on it and it will be clear, or you can just go back and tap and hold on the chat box over here, and when the green tick mark appears there will be delete or the dumpster icon available at the top of the screen. Tap on it and that chat will be deleted. So let's go, and this kind of interface will appear here. It also says also delete media received in this chat from the device gallery. If you want to delete that media received, tap on that box and tap on the delete chat, and that chat will be deleted on WhatsApp. And this is how to delete WhatsApp chat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.